Unanet, the ultimate team player. At Unanet, we believe that work tools should enhance your team's productivity, not hinder it. Our ERP and CRM solutions are purpose-built to be easy to implement, use, and integrate. But they are not complete without our team. We understand that the decisions you make today will shape the success and profitability of your organization for the next 5 to 10 years. You're not just investing in a technology solution, you're entering a long-term partnership. That's why we design our core business solutions to not only meet your daily operational and accounting needs, but also drive business development and profitable growth. Achieving this vision requires expertise, execution, and a partner committed to meeting the unique needs of the business now and in the future. A team fully dedicated to your success. Unanet, the ultimate team player for your project-based business.